everybody, so I'm going to be opening November's Goddess Provisions box. I know it's December that you're seeing this, but with all the problems with our heating and my health and stuff, I just did not get a chance to do this. I also received this amazing Moon Wisdom Planner, so we're going to be having a little look at that as well. Okay, so first things first. Actually, no, I'm going to do the book first, I think. So, this amazing planner is for next year. I'm not sure what the details are with this exactly, whether this is something that you can buy, but I imagine so. It's got a lovely cover. Just going to put that up to the camera. It's got a beautiful planner. All this is embossed, so I can feel that with my finger. It's got these gorgeous moon phases here, which is lovely. On the back, it's just plain with the Goddess Provisions logo, which is really, really nice. And then on the spine, it's just got the Moon Wisdom Planner. It's got one of these elastics, which I really, really like. And it also has two ribbons, which I really, really like, so you can have more than one page marked out, which is awesome. In here we have a brass bookmark set. Which is really, really lovely. So that you can mark pages for that as well. So it's got an eye, a heart, and a moon. Just showing that to the other camera there for my Instagram reel. So let's see what it's got inside. So it says, mesmerised by the moon. And this sacred planner belongs to a moon goddess, so it's rather helpfully got a space for your name, your email and your phone number, just in case you lose this, or just in case, you know, you're hanging out with some other moon goddesses and they have the same book as well. That's always a possibility. And inside we have, so there's basically a planner, and then there's all sorts of what they're calling goddess wisdom throughout this, so like a cycle tracking guide, crystal alloys guide, books to read, places to go, birthdays, notes, moon names and meanings, cosmic dates, etc, etc, which is really, really lovely. I'll show you that. And first of all, it's got January and then a bit about Capricorn. I love Capricorns. I think being a Cancer, it's like the opposite sign, isn't it? I get on really, really well with Capricorns. My lovely friend Terry was a Capricorn. Okay, so we've got a full moon ritual and a new moon ritual, which is amazing. What I'm calling in for this moon cycle, how I spent this moon, what feelings are present within me. So that's really helpful. There's a space to do a card reading, which is awesome, and abundance planning, which is brilliant. And there's more of that throughout. There are these lovely, lovely pictures. And at the beginning of each month, there is actually, let's have a look. There's a month-to-date planner, I believe. And at the front, there is this. And I'm assuming you can colour in these. I think that's supposed to be for blood, so you can colour in where your cycle is. I'm not sure. I need to, yeah, it says see page 318 for more information about cycle tracking. So it is. it's so that you can mark when your period is, and also there's a space here for notes, and I guess you could write in these as well. So that's really, really awesome. I love that. And then yes, there's the month to date, which I find super helpful because I need to look. It's no good for me having just like the individual days. I need to look at something as a whole month and plan what I'm doing, because I have to sort of spread my energy. So I love a month to date. And then there is a wellness tracker where you can tick off for each day what you've done. So I don't know, maybe you could circle these, but that's really great. I love that. And then you can put your goals down here, and you can put the total here as well. So that's awesome. And then you've got your day to day, which you could use as a, you could use that bit as a journal, couldn't you? Plan your month ahead at the beginning, and then use this as a journal for reflection. So I really, really like this. And they've also got the key focus this week. And I'm grateful for, just showing that into my other camera. So yeah, I love that. And then it says at the bottom here, it says wins this week. Wins this week. So that is absolutely awesome, and I'm loving that. So I think that's my diary for next year. So yeah, go and check out Goddess Provisions. It's not just about the subscription boxes. They do have the boutique, so they do have things like this in there for sale. And as far as I know, they have things like homewares and magical supplies, basically all the things that you would expect, because you know, they sell them in the Goddess Provision boxes, but I think they do some bigger items. So yeah, go and check out Goddess Provisions. I'm going to put some information on the screen now about the subscription service that they do, just so that you can see. Should be up now, just so you can see what their boxes are all about, and then we'll open the box. Okay, so I love these little boxes. They're the highlight of my month. And the first one we have, I collect these. I love these. The moon lights my path. Isn't that beautiful? And the resident artist is still Kelsey DeLang, I think that is pronounced. So yeah, you can find a tag to her Instagram page over on my Instagram account when I pop this video up. And in here we have, what do we have in here? I'm so eager to get into a ceramic Tealight holder. Oh, how exciting. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's a Tealight. You get a Tealight as well. That's cool. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Down there. And then your little Tealight just goes in there like that. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous, lovely. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. Okay. Daily Magic, Alchemical Thought Cards. Let's open these. So this is the first one. Don't know if you can see that. It says, made of stardust. Don't sweat the small stuff. You are pure magic and mystery. You are a soul living in a flesh temple. That one says, the only illusion of death is that it is an ending. Live as if your choices always matter. You're always just one decision away from a magically different life. Which is very true. What am I choosing? What am I choosing? What am I choosing? What am I choosing? And yeah, they've got this pattern on the back. Aren't they lovely? Awesome. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. Let's pop those over there. And you know, this is small enough to pop in your handbag, isn't it? I really like that. You can take them along and then get one of your friends to just pick one. Right, I'm going to pop them there. What's this? Ooh. Exciting. It's got a little bit of string around it. Now I am expecting my husband back any minute. He's popped to the shop. Ah, lunar phases. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. That is so nice. Wow, thank you, Goddess Provisions. Don't know where I'm going to pop that, but it will go somewhere. Ooh. It says gem charged bath soak. Rising moon. Can't wait to see that. And this is nightcap. Says Moon Rivers Naturals nightcap, spiked with prickly pear oil, willow bark extract, green tea and rose water. Ooh. Not quite sure what you do with this. What do you do? An overnight facial treatment designed to heal, revive and inspire your skin to sing hallelujah after a night of beauty rest. That looks amazing. I'm going to be using that. Thank you so much. Oh, and then we've got the crystal. The gorgeous crystal, which, I don't know, I want to say amethyst, but it might be lepidolite maybe. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Lepidolite. Lovely, so that's that. Thank you ever so much, Goddess Provisions. I do want to say actually that I did buy a crystal the other day, which is really unusual because usually I just have second-hand ones or the ones that I get sent here. And I bought a lepidolite. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It's probably like lepidolite or something, but just how funny that the one that I picked is also the one that I was sent. Gorgeous. Thank you ever so much, Goddess Provisions, and guys, go check them out. They're a really great company and you get a box full of witchy goodies every month. All right, thank you for tuning in for this and I'll see you soon on the Witching Week. Okay, bye.